In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to make a dark mode button. We'll start off with an HTML and CSS file in the same folder. For the HTML, we'll begin by making a simple boilerplate. In the head, we'll have the title of dark mode button and a link to the CSS file. And in the body, we'll have a single button with the following text. For the CSS, we'll start by adding two variables to the body, one for the color of the background and the other for the color of the button. We'll also remove the default margin, change the height to 100 viewport height, and use display grid to place the button in the center of the viewport. And we'll set the background to the variable that we defined earlier. For the button, we'll increase the font size, add some padding, and remove the default border. We'll give it a pill shape with a very large border radius and change the background and text colors. The theme will be set by adding a class to the body called dark. When the body has this dark class, we'll redefine the variables to have new colors. To make the button change the theme, we'll add an event listener called onClick, which will go to the body and toggle the class dark. If you want to learn how to make a very easy theme selector that remembers your theme, check out this video right here, and thanks for watching.